Alright guys, today I want to do a quick review and install of my new 64XL printer ink. It'll fit certain HP printers, so we'll go ahead and open it up, get it installed, and get it rocking and rolling. So it's this one right here, and this one right here. So these are both the ink cartridges, the color and the black. They are in XL version. So let's go ahead and get them installed. And I just wanted to show that they are installed on here and they are good to go. So let's do a nice test print on here. All right, now that I got it all installed, I'm gonna go ahead and just do like a quick test print on it, see how it looks. This one is just gonna be in black and white, but let's see how it looks. Awesome. Ink looks really good. I like it. Looks just like any of the other ones. So if you're looking for some good HP ink for your printer, highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.